Now we will see how to solve a problem on projection of planes. Go to application menu, select new, select the existing class template. It is given that a pentagonal plate having edge 25 mm is placed on a corner on VP such that the perpendicular bisector of one of the edges is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Select object layer, select polygon from the home tab, enter the number of sides as 5 for pentagon, press enter, select edge method, then click on a point on the screen, then move the cursor so as to obtain the pentagon in the required position. Then enter the side length of the pentagon, which is 25 mm. Then use move command to place the pentagon in the required position. Switch off ortho mode. Use multi-line text for naming the corners of the pentagon. Place the text in the proper position using move command. Now select projectors layer for the corresponding top view of the pentagon. Switch on ortho mode. Then select object layer again for the top view. Use projectors layer again. Let A dash M dash be the perpendicular bisector passing through the corner A. In order to see the line weight, switch on line weight option. Then use copy, select the corresponding top view, enter, select a reference point to copy, then place it appropriately on XY line. Use rotate or else before rotating the corresponding top view, go to O-track settings, polar track settings, type the tracking angle as 45 degrees. Then use rotate the top view such that left end of the top view is the center of rotation. Switch on polar tracking. Then click on the screen as soon as the track line appears at an angle of 45 degrees. Then copy the text. Then use projectors layer again for the corresponding front view. Then trim off the unwanted lines using trim. Press enter. Then select object layer, go to polyline, switch off ortho mode, then select projectors layer for the perpendicular bisector. Use copy command, then measure the true length and apparent length of the perpendicular bisector A dash M dash. Select dimensions layer, go to aligned. For the side length of the pentagon, select linear, go for angle between angular, then select projectors layer again, go to polar tracking, set the increment angle to 30 degrees, switch on polar tracking, draw a line to that angle. Select dimension layer, check the angle of the drawn line, then use copy command, or before that go to arc, select center, start, end, select any point on the 30-degree line, then enter the arc radius as 38.47, which is the true length of the perpendicular bisector. Then name that as A dash M dash. Now we will fix the end M dash and passing through A dash, draw a locus line. Select the layer locus line. Select the intersection point and draw a horizontal locus line through A dash. Then go for arc again, center, start, end method with M dash as center, switch off ortho mode and radius equal to the apparent length, which is 27.2 mm. Draw an arc to cut the locus line. Select projectors layer, which is the apparent length of the perpendicular bisector. Now move the pentagon in the second view so that A dash M dash coincides with A dash M dash. For that, select copy this pentagon such that M dash, place that M dash or coincide that M dash, then use rotate the pentagon with M dash as center and select reference method, select M dash A dash and coincide with A dash. Then place the or name the corners of the pentagon. Select projector layer and obtain the corresponding final top view of the pentagon. Use trim command, press enter, then select object layer, use line or polyline, draw lines connecting the corresponding corners of the pentagon. Switch off ortho mode. Go to multiline text, use move command, if required measure the apparent angle by being in dimension layer. This completes the solution to the given problem on projection of planes.